Now, you got an old car like this, it looks very original. You got the old Krager wheels. Man, the thing looks great, but what do you do when it comes to tunes, right? Are you stuck with the old AM/FM radio? It's probably broken anyway. How do you get something modern in there without having to cut a whole big hole in the dash? Well, Custom Autosound has a lot of great options to give you modern radio functions, but to make it look old school. Now, we got the USA 360 with the Blue Kit adapter in here, so that's going to give us everything from Bluetooth. We've got RCA outputs for amplifiers. We've got aux connectors. We've got everything you need for a modern radio, but to look classic and cool. Now, these are super easy to install, right? Got a little bracketry here. We've got the wiring harness. So we're going to get it in here, get ourselves some modern tunes, connectivity, and some great sounds. Really simple and easy. All right, we've got 300 watts of pumping radio, all modern and connected.